Hey everyone, my name is Balamurli. Today we are choosing agile concepts for our review, like what is agile programming, like that. So we can go to the topics. First, agile, a flexible, interactive approach, software development focusing on collaboration, customer feedback, and rapid delivery. That is agile. Agile tool is like Jira, Trello that support agile project management, like that. That that tools help with manage. Jira வந்து a popular agile project management tool. It's used to plan, track, and manage software development project. Just next to Kanban. Kanban is method where visualize work for on a board or focus continuous delivery without overlooping. Next is Scrum. Scrum framework is a within Agile that organize work of flexed length interaction called sprint, embarrassing teamwork and accountability. That is Scrum. Lean. A lean methodology focused on delivering value by eliminating waste and improving efficiency in process. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எக்ஸ்ட்ரீம் ப்ரோக்ராமிங் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. an agile methodology that emphasize technical excellence, a frequent release and close collaboration with the customer. That is XP. Next, Mura, a lean concept of referring events in inconsistency, workflow or production. That is Mura. Next one is Muda. Muda is a lean term from any activity that does not add a value waste. That is Muda. Muri. Overburdening people or equipment leading in efficiency or breakdown. That is called Muri. Then Scrum Master. Scrum Master is nothing but a facilitator who ensure the Scrum teams follow agile principle and removes obstacles. That is Scrum Master. Then the product owner, the person responsible for minimizing product value by the managing product backlog. That's called product owner. Then next, development team. And development team is how it's like a cross-functional groups of professionals who works together deliver product increments, like or for example, if you work on one project to make sure your all group of members to work together, that's called development team. Then domain expert, a specialized with a deep knowledge in sub area of the product being developed. That's called domain expert. Then product inspection, regular reviews to ensure products meets they stay standards and agile with goals. The product inspection is using regular reviews to what are the stage in products, like that. Then product vision is a clear long-term vision for a product that guides the team's efforts. Then stakeholder, anyone affected by the product including users, customer and business sponsors. This method is called a stakeholder. Then user story, short simple description of future from the user perspective used in agile planning. That's called user stories. Story points, until used to estimate the complexity of the effort required for a user story mapping. Then story mapping, a visual way to arrange user story to understand the system functionality and priorities development. Then backlog, a priorities list to future flex and tasks to be complete in future sprints. Then user persona, the functional character representing a target user to help design future that meets user needs. BVIR, Big Visible Information Radiator. The A visual display like a task board that show project progress and status in real time. That's called BVIR. Agile Velocity, a measure of how much work team computers during a sprint used for forecasting. That's called Agile Velocity. Then retrospective, a regular meeting where the teams reflect on the past sprint to improve future performance. So we are that's called response respective ret- retrospective. DOD, definition of done, a clear list of certain a product increment must be considered complete. That's called DOD. Then sprint, a time booked development cycle, usually 1 to 4 weeks, where it is depend on the project, where the specific work is complete and made ready for review. Then burn down chart, a graph showing the remaining work in sprint of project used to track the process. Then 3CS, card conversation confirmation, a model of user story. That's called a 3CS, disciplined agile, a process design framework that integrates agile and lean approach to fit the organization to contact. That's called discipline agile. Then SAFE, scaled agile framework, allows agile practice to be scaled across large enterprise and teams. Scrum and scale, extension of the Scrum to manage multiple teams working on a single project or product. That's are the major topic for agile. So